Welcome to Projectree. Create your project showcase in minutes. So, I'm just going to sign in and show you how it works. When you sign in, you're directed to the dashboard where you can create your project trees. Let's create a project tree. I'll call it Danny Dre Project List. We'll use a standard theme and I'll leave the fav icon as default. So I'm not going to enter anything there. So let's add some projects. The first project that I worked on was, well, the last project I worked on was Projectree. And Projectree is an open source service that helps developers create project showcases in a matter of minutes. So you just have to add all the details here. I believe I use HTML, I use Tailwind.js, I use my own library, I use Django and PlanetScale. And the photo, so I'm just going to use the photo that we have uploaded on Hashnode. I'll link the GitHub and I'll also link the website. Okay, let's add another project. Now, the project I worked on before this one was 10-minute endpoint, and that one was another open source project. 10-minute endpoint is an open source service that generates a temporary endpoint for a developer to test and inspect HTTP requests that are sent to it. Yep, that is it. I'm also going to link the photo that we used from Hashnode, and I'm just going to enter all the details. And I'm going to add another project. So what I worked on before this one was a flavor editor, and it's the visual editor for a JavaScript engine that I created. Yep. Now I got this image from the landing page itself. It's not an open source link, the editor itself. The game engine is, but not the editor, so I have no source code link, but I do have the demo link, which can be found at this page here. So now that I have a few projects, I can save this, enter project name, let's just call it Danny Tree, because it's my cool project tree. And there are multiple things we can do with this. We can generate, let's actually generate it locally to our computer. So I'm generating it, and now I'm extracting it since it's downloaded as a zip file. And if I open it, you can see here that we have the project tree available for viewing. If I don't like that theme, I can choose another theme like rose, gold, clover, ocean, and I can choose to generate again. Now let's extract and see this one. So there you go. So you can play around with the different themes and variants that are provided, or if you also like, because you don't want to have to upload this yourself, you can just publish it. Now let's save it again. Okay, let's publish it. I'll call it Danny Tree as well, and let's view it. So this is Danny Tree, and it's viewable directly on the Projectree.net website. So if anyone has any other project trees they've created and they publish it here, they can view it directly right here. So that's what we made so far for this month. I do have many more plans, such as on the dashboard, being able to view a project if it has already been published. And on the homepage, I also want to add links to view other created project trees. But yeah, so this is Projectree. Thank you.